Hello all the FMG aspirants. I'm Dr. Arun and today motive of making this video is to help you out with making a schedule. So the timeline and the schedule that I followed was based on a target that I kept subconsciously during this whole time in my mind, the target of 220 at least. Okay, I ended up with 203. I'm happy with it, but the target that I decided for me was 220. Okay, now you have to keep few things in your mind. The very first and very important thing is कि आपने अपना सोने का और उठने का समय फिक्स करना है. You have to get to the bed daily at that time and get up from the bed daily at that fixed time, and you have to follow this till last day from your exam. Okay, and second cheese, you have to decide an overall timeline of your day. How is your day going to look? Okay, I'm not going to spoon feed you for each and everything. What you have to decide is कि 5 hours you will be utilizing for yourself. इसमें आपका the very first and very important thing 1 से 1.5 घंटा daily your strength training, physical training, yoga, meditation, workout, running, whatever you like, do that thing. Okay, keep yourself physically fit and active during that time. 6 से 7 घंटे की आपकी स्लीप होगी, यू हैव टू फॉलो दैट. एंड 11 से 12 घंटे आपको टारगेट करना है अपनी स्टडीज़ के लिए. एंड टू मेंटेन इट आपने अपने डे को 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. ठीक है, 4 पार्ट्स में द वेरी फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर डे विल बी द मॉर्निंग कस्टम मॉड्यूल. जैसे ही आप सो के उठेंगे, दिस इज़ व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो. ओके, यू कैन फॉलो इट in a different manner, but what I used to follow is सुबह उठते ही I used to give a custom module of 50 questions, and those questions used to be from overall syllabus, and the tags that I used were INICET, FMG and NEET PG. ठीक है, daily you have to follow these 50 custom module, morning custom module, daily you have to follow till second last day of your exam. ठीक है, एग्जाम से 2 दिन पहले आप इसको करना बंद कर देना. कैसे आपको करना है? आपने क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने हैं डेली 50. आपसे हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, नहीं हो रहे हैं, ठीक है, आपने लेकिन करने हैं, ट्राई करना है. जो क्वेश्चन आपके गलत हो जाएंगे, स्पेशली दोज क्वेश्चंस आपको रिव्यू करने हैं, कंप्लीटली रीड करने हैं फ्रॉम द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ, एंड आपको वहीं उनको बुक मार्क कर लेना है, सेव कर लेना है, ताकि आप उनको बाद में कभी भी रिव्यू कर सके. ठीक है, दिस इज द स्ट्रेटेजी यू विल बी फॉलोइंग टू सोल्व these daily morning custom module. The second thing was the second part of the day, and the third part of the day is the same. It will be of 4 hours of lectures and 4 hours of lecture. Total 8 hours of lectures and notes reading. अब lectures कैसे देखेंगे? You have to go through the lectures. ठीक है, and जैसे ही आप एक टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, you have to read the notes, notes from the PDF. I didn't prefer the handwritten notes for myself. Okay, I made a lot of notes in university time, but I didn't follow them. For this exam specifically, I followed the PDF notes that were provided from my platform. Okay, you have to go through the lecture, and after completing each topic, quickly go through those notes. Okay, this is how you will be following your lectures. So 8 hours of lecture, and now the last part of the day will be the 50 custom modules from those specific topic that you have completed in 8 hours of lectures. ठीक है, so first custom module will be the morning custom module, and the last custom module of the day will be the night custom module. ठीक है, that you can give before going to bed, and in same manner you have to review it. ठीक है, so this will make your overall 12 hours, 11 to 12 hours of studies that you are going to follow during this whole preparation phase. And आपने PYQs कब देने हैं? After completing each subject, give 1 day to solve all the PYQs, last 5 year PYQs. And again, PYQ section is already present in almost every platform, every online platform or app based platform. They are providing the PYQ section. So once you are done with your lectures of that specific subject, give 1 day to solve all those PYQs, and to again you have to bookmark each and everything that you are making mistake in or you have doubt in, okay, so that you can read them later in a time. So this was about how you have to go for PYQs. Now second most important thing, the overall thing that you have to follow during this time is, the first thing that I did was I completed all my major clinical subjects that I considered major: medicine, surgery, gynae, PSM, forensic, pedia, opthal, ENT. So for you it is going to take maximum 45 days, okay, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं लगना चाहिए. I completed these subjects within 30 days. You can try for that, but 45 days is also good, and it is not going to take more than 45 days to complete these major clinical subjects, okay. And then you will come to your major preclinical subjects. To complete major preclinical subjects, it is going to take 20 days: physio, patho, biochem, pharma, anatomy. Now when I'm telling you it is going to take 20 days, these are actually from the rapid revision videos, okay. And next you will come to ortho, derma, anesthesia, radio and psyche. Those are the minor subjects, and it is going to take 5 to 8 days, okay. So this overall strategy that I'm telling about 45 days, 20 days and 5 to 8 days, it is basically from the app based platforms. The platform that I used, that was Marrow, and it took me this much time only to complete those subjects. So within 60 to 70 days you will be done with your all the lectures once, okay. Now when you have to give GT, when should you give GT? The very good strategy about this is कि the very first GT that you will give is right before starting your preparation, ठीक है. अगर आप परसों से स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं या कल से स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, तो आज एक GT दो और उसके बाद कल आप अपना लेक्चर्स वगैरह स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है. The first GT is before starting your preparation. The second GT you will give after completing your major clinical subjects, okay. The third GT you will give after completing your major preclinical subjects. The fourth GT you will give after completing your minor subjects. So the next 72 days, that is the time you will be able to complete your syllabus if you are using a app based platform. So during these 72 days आप ये देखो how much worth it will be if you will be able to follow this schedule. आप daily 50 custom module morning and 50 custom module evening में follow कर रहे होंगे. कितने हो गए? डेली के approximately 100 क्वेश्चंस आप तो ऐसे सोल्व कर रहे हो. उसके अलावा आप दे चुके होंगे 4 GTs. That makes around 1200 questions, and this will make around 7200 questions. 7000 में मान लो चलो. तो within 72 days you will be able to complete 8200 or 8500 questions. उसके अलावा that I am telling you to give 1 day for your PYQs, specifically for your PYQs of those subjects that you will be completing. So there are around 2000 PYQs. So within 72 days आपने करीब 10,000 के आसपास क्वेश्चन लगा लिए हैं, जिसमें से कि 1200 क्वेश्चन GT में से PYQs कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं, एंड डेली कस्टम मॉड्यूल से आप 100 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं. सो इन सच ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर अगर आप चीज़ें फॉलो करते हैं तो चीज़ें पॉसिबल हैं. दिस इज नॉट very less time for those students who are preferring a ऐप बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म. नाउ ऐप बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म या फिर ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म या ऑफलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म किसको कैसे फॉलो करना है वो मैं अपनी प्रीवियस वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ. सो द कैटेगरी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जो एक ऐप बेस्ड प्लेटफॉर्म की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, जो इसको यूज़ करने जा रहे हैं, विद इन 72 डेज आप सो मैनी चीज़ें कर चुके होंगे. अब उसके बाद क्या, वंस यू आर डन विद योर सिलेबस you have to come for the revision. In revision what you will do, look, the subjects which you feel are still weak, I will suggest कि आप उनकी वीडियोस भी देखो और नोट्स भी रीड कर लो, ठीक है, and try to memorize them and try to focus more on those topics during the revision especially which are weaker. Okay, so same way within 1 month you will be able to complete all your subjects, you will be able to revise all your subjects if you stay consistent. ठीक है. Now when you will come to June, again in June also you will be able to complete again all the subjects. So during this time you will be able to visit all the subject at least 3 times. Okay, and you will be able to solve so many questions, approximately 12 to 13,000 questions daily. And of course you will be able to read the notes also of these subjects 3 times, if you will follow the way that I told. ठीक है. And again आपने अपना specific time, that is from June last, let's say from June 20 to July 5, अगर कंसिडर करें जुलाई 6 या उसके आसपास अगर आपका एग्जाम होता है, तो जून 20 से लेकर जुलाई 5 या जून 15 से लेकर जुलाई 5, keep that time specifically for solving your bookmark questions. ठीक है. Instead of solving the morning custom and evening custom, what you will do, you will solve during last in June ending, especially last 15 days. During that time मॉर्निंग कस्टम एंड इवनिंग कस्टम वाला जो टाइम था उसमें आप अपने बुक मार्क्स क्वेश्चन को सोल्व कीजिएगा. ठीक है. दैट इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग द best efficiency out of your work. All the best. I hope this will work for you because it worked for me as well. And again you can modify everything based on your comfort. Okay, good luck.